Let us now continue with a very useful option of Excel, which is called the goal seek, which is also under what if scenarios. Let's assume that we have some information from a deposit. We know the volume of the ore body, we know the density, we can determine the tonnage, but we have not received yet the result from the lab. But even now, we can use this program to determine if the result will be interesting enough to continue the exploration of this target. So let's say that we would like to have a profit of $2 million from this situation. What should be the grade in order to be able to get the 2 million profit? So for that, we go to the what if, goal seek. We set the cell that we want to determine as this one here, the B12. We want, as I said, to obtain $2 million. And we want to estimate this by changing the grade. So once we have selected the 3 parameters, just click OK. And the program says that in order to get $2 million of profit, we need grades that are equal or above 3.5 grams per ton. So this is a really useful thing. Another useful graphic is the trend forecast. Let's say that we have been collecting samples, soil sampling in a very difficult terrain, and for weeks 1 to 9, we have been collecting these amounts every week, and we would like to get an idea when the program will be finished. So for this, we select all the data, go to data, and forecast sheet, and here we have the graphic that tells us the most probably, the best results, and the low results. So with this, we can estimate when the program will be finished. We can increase the date of the forecast in the future. We can leave that graphic there. And we have our forecast. The next one is a very useful tool. It's called the quick tool. And for this, the only thing we need to do is to select all the data. And when we do this, you will see this little icon here. So you click on the icon. And here are all the things that you can do with this thing. You can do formatting, you can do charts, you can establish totals, you can convert it to a table, you can do spark lines. Spark lines are very fun. Let's check on spark line, and I want to make a line. And here, in just one click, you have the behavior of all these lines with respect of all the samples for all the elements. So explore the quick tools is a very useful way of processing your data very quickly. You can see, you can have average. That's it, the average for each of these things. So it's a very useful quick tool. It's called quick tool to have an idea of your data. This situation, at least I found it very frequently. When I have samples that should be numbers, and there are some of them are as text, or not only sample, there are sometimes values. And a text could be that it was introduced with an apostrophe at the beginning, which means that this is a text, or it was formatted as a text. So of course you can each do this one by one, but there is a very interesting way of doing this thing. So first of all, type 1 someplace in the sheet and copy that. Then select the data, go to paste special, and multiply and click OK. As you can see, it converts all the text to numbers. It's a very quick way to solve this problem. And finally, since we are talking about text, probably you don't know this, but Excel has a spell checker, which is just you select the text and you press F7. And if there are any problems with your data, it will show it up and you can fix it. So this is the end of episode number 6. As always, please subscribe so we can get to the 1,000 subscriber limit that will allow me to do this live. Remember that now you have the closed caption in Spanish. Once again, thank you for your attention, and I will see you next week where I will be showing you how I process geochemical data using Excel. It's a very, very large table, probably going to take us a couple of episodes. Have a great day.